This used to be all green. Like 3 years ago, is it wrong? We lived out here like 3 years ago, and we moved back to Arizona for a year, and we came back. And first time we came here, this was all green, and the grass was like 3 foot. Yeah, you can see the grass like waving. It looks like water. Now it's like, we heard that they didn't have no rain, that much rain this year, but yeah, look at that. But when it snows, this place is beautiful, huh? It's all white all over. Can't wait to show you guys wintertime. We're going to try out a taco truck, right? A taco truck. So it's always parked at Menards, so go try that out. It's called Miko's. So let's see how authentic. Is it still there? Oh yeah. Okay. We used to live right there, right behind that store. So right there, that corner on the bottom. Now it's expensive. Like $2,100 a month. I don't know why we weren't thinking then. So, but here's Miko's. Okay, let me pause this and then start another video. Trying to keep it short and sweet here. All right, let's go.